This video shows how to install a GunWraps handgun kit, step by step. Quick safety first. Always treat every firearm as loaded until you've personally confirmed it's clear. Have your gun unloaded, tools, and gloves ready. You'll need a degreaser, an isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, a soft brush, hobby knife, heat gun, hand squeegee, optional Pro Bond adhesive pen, and application gloves. Step 1. Cleaning. Thoroughly inspect and clean your handgun before wrapping. Confirm the gun is unloaded. Remove oil and grease so the wrap will adhere properly. Use a gun-formulated degreaser. Wipe with isopropyl alcohol to remove residue. Use a soft brush to clean crevices. Wash hands after cleaning to avoid adding oils. Dry with a lint-free cloth or air dry. Step 2. Alignment. With the gun clean, it's time to install the kit. GunWraps full handgun wrap includes slide and left-right frame pieces. Red tabs mark front, not on solid textured wraps. Apply the slide center to the top as best as you can. Peel off and try again as many times as needed. Use V notches to center. Apply all pieces in the same direction. Press firmly to adhere. Make a relief cut at the sights, then pull material through. Use tension to push the sights through and smooth the edges. Apply the side sections, pulling tight to avoid wrinkles. Wear application gloves to avoid oils and scuffs. Use a squeegee along the frame/slide gap to define the trim edge. Step 3. Trimming. Hold the slide piece tight so the blade cuts cleanly. Run the blade edge along the slide bottom to prevent overhang. Keep the slide area clear to prevent jams. The front and the back of the slide also require trimming. Pull tight and cut at 45 degrees to avoid marring. For the sights, press the vinyl against the edges to reveal the exact corners. Change blades often. New blades cut cleaner with less pressure. If you have upgraded sights, remove them before wrapping and reinstall after. Don't forget to trim the slide catch notch and rear slide notches for a clean, functional fit. Press vinyl into the ejector port to reveal the outline for cutting. Trim one edge at a time to optimize angle and blade changes. Heat the slide on low to help the vinyl conform. Pay special attention to the racking notches on the rear of the slide. If you only wrap the slide, you're done. Otherwise, continue to the frame. Step 4. Cut tape. Optional. Use green cut tape to guide straight trims and overlaps. Offset the tape slightly over center. Running the blade over the tape prevents metal-on-metal contact. You may trim without this cut tape if you are comfortable. Step 5. Side alignment. Align a frame side piece with the front tab facing forward. Match the pattern to the slide and press the wrap into place, then work down to the bottom of the gun. Gun wraps are designed to achieve a seamless pattern. Step 6. Trim and apply. Use heat to make the wrap flexible for molding over curves and textures. Press firmly with your finger or wrapped glove to conform the vinyl to grooves and edges. Trim excess for better flexibility. Press the wrap into the space between the slide and the frame, trim, and remove the excess. For the bottom of the grip, trim while viewing the back of the vinyl to line up the cut. Trim carefully to avoid injury. Optional. Primer. Use the Pro Bond adhesive pen to reinforce adhesion in lift-prone areas, such as the concave rear grip molding. Activate by crushing the marked dots to saturate the sponge tip. It dries clear with no residue. Use heat and pull the wrap around the back of the grip. Apply lightly and avoid overstretching the vinyl, as this can weaken the adhesive. It is only necessary to wrap the vinyl over the green tape. Step 7. Trimming. Trim along the center, remove excess, and remove trim tape if applied. Additional trimming for the bottom of the grip and the front of the frame is also required. Apply primer pen to the outer trigger guard top and bottom as needed. Press, let cool, then trim. Cooling resets the wrap's internal memory. Take as much time as you need to ensure the best results. Heat and press to bring out fine texture details for a factory finish look. Trim the Picatinny notch and any other details. One side left, repeat for the mirrored piece. Step 8. Cut tape, again. Use the green cut tape to align a straight cut for the overlap. Offset slightly over center. Repeat steps 5 and 6 for the opposite side. Make sure the entire side is covered and leave enough material over the center. Final trimming will clean it up. Do not overheat the wrap. Step 9. Trimming, finish. Change blades frequently. It greatly improves results. Apply primer on top of the vinyl where pieces overlap to lock the bond. When overlapping, line up artwork for a seamless look. Trim in 2 motions when needed to optimize angle and pressure control. Remove remaining green tape, apply a little heat, and press firmly to set. Apply the primer pen in the outer trigger guard corners. Trim the frame off-center to create a secure overlap. Don't forget the Picatinny rail. Step 10. Final install. Heat and press all wrapped areas to set the bond. Use a squeegee for tight spots and fingers, or a wrap glove for textured areas. Be careful not to burn the wrap. Step 11. Detail trim. Trim away vinyl from the mag release, slide stop, and interior of the trigger guard. Use the interior edge as a guide for clean cuts. Remove vinyl from moving hardware to prevent friction or handling issues. Finish with a full post-heat pass, pressing firmly to conform to every detail. Let the wrap cool before using your handgun. That's it. Double-check moving parts, store tools safely, and enjoy your protected handgun. Gun wraps are USA made, waterproof, non-reflective, and built to last. For more tips, visit our tutorials or contact support.